So far nakambaza abayimbi banna Uganda 10 over 130 starting from way back okuva kuba Gentle King oba mujjukira Gentle King mwana ali kati London, that was way back kutandika nga mu 1997 Jangubo Obsession, Bashadows Angels, kati natandika ne Chameleon from his first song Mama Mia, from the video Pamwa Award yawo wonna nga nze mwambaza jangu ku kipepeo, jangu kubadilisha concert, the space suit ya badilisha concert. Awutwalinga abagamba nti we are taking Ugandan music to the moon. This time around yabadako, that's why you saw him again in the space suit. Yeah.
Wenyini Latif. No design ya Chameleon twalengo designinga zari. Olugoye luno lwa Chameleon yeyo ekipale kiringa peti.
Yeah.
Kiraga ki?
Yeah, jeziri zi trending ennaku zino. Saagala kwogera nnyo history waazo. Naye nga nzirabye nga zi trending, especially by musicians aba Nigeria bambala ebyo ebipale bipeti ebiri legeza. Naye nga to me nze nga kunze kyanyumidde, like it's creative for an artist okwambala ekintu nti si buli muntu ajja kyambala, because you're looking out for uniqueness, and I believe in uniqueness because nze mwenyewe neita his uniqueness, senior intelligent rasta. So I believe nti buli muntu alinamu ekintu ekyenjawulo, that different thing that you have ekyenjawulo kyekikufuula unique oba kyoyina okufunako. That's what everybody should look out for in you, nti webajagala ekintu ekyenjawulo gundi yakikola kino, yakikola mu ngeri ey'enjawulo efaanana bweti. So if you need a unique designer, definitely I'm the one. So if you need a unique artist, Jane creativity, Chameleon wali nnyo emirundi mingi tumulabye concerts ze zonna nga ajja ali unique. Yeah, so that was creativity basically. It's basically for sure. It's not something kyogenda okwambala nti kangende ku church, kangende ndaba abazadde. No. Yes.
Okay, kati materials zino z'otungamu ze tulaba ezimu ng'olaba ng'enzibu zo zijjawa?
I travel a lot, definitely. When ndaba materials enjawulo nga manyi nti sijja gisanga Uganda, I carry them. Kati like ka material ke natongeddemu Wuuno. I knew this is legend in gold, abantu abagenda okubeerayo bali classy, because in plan nabadde sagala kujja na model. I wanted to pick a guest model, someone from the guests, yeah. Kati Chameleon naleta idea nagamba, no, I choose Zari gwoba yambaza. Nebo yagenza okwa-approachinga Zari namuwa reason nagamba nakadingana ne bawange, you know, she wants to minimize camera n'ebintu ebifaananako. It was understandable. So we respected that. Na approaching Wuuno. Wuuno, it was very perfect. It was adawe wamulabye. She was so perfect. She's someone when I koze kona ye before walaba video ye ya owa border. I made the costumes. Yali Miss Uganda. I think she also holds the title Miss Uganda or Miss Photogenic or something like that. So she's a brand as well. She's a model. Ate nkolagana na bintu byaba models. Kamatilio nabadde ndese katona. I was actually worried nti Zari tetujja motoka, because that's the material that doesn't kakutte mu ngalo bwenti, because I was carrying nothing on me. I was just carrying that small bag nga mulimu kamatilio mulimu makansi nenerabira empiso. That was the biggest challenge. Naguze empiso kuserera ey'ekikumi nagiguze mutwalo nabadde nakatuuka 7 stitches nemenyeka netuuka neddamu nemenyeka nensibira awo kati nefuna challenge, because every challenge brings a new innovation. That's what I really liked about that show. Tinafunye innovation empya nti nsobola kati okugenda ku show nga sina na mpiso, because kati ate bwe mba natunga akatete yake empiso mu nnyonyi ate saitaga kubeera na mpiso, because tajina wegenda kuyita tebajja jikiriza oba kitegeera. So kati nafunye new creations nakyagadde nnyo. So kati material eyo I bought it in Seattle, Washington. They are very fine materials. Si buno nga bolaba buchakala obuli downtown. This is very classy. It feels nice on body. It stretches so large. One size fits almost everybody.